In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do credits in DaVinci Resolve. We will build simple scrolling credits that look clean and professional, even if this is your first time using the program. Start by going to the Edit page. Look along the bottom of DaVinci Resolve for the row of page icons and click the one labeled Edit. When you are in the right place, you will see your timeline along the bottom, the preview monitor at the top, and your media bins on the left. Now open the Effects library. At the top left of the Edit page, click the button labeled Effects. When it is open, a panel appears with folders like Toolbox and Effects, and this is where Resolve keeps transitions, titles, and generators. From there, expand Titles. In the Effects library panel, find the section named Titles and click the little arrow next to it. The folder opens to show several title styles, including basic text, lower thirds, and some animated options. You may need to scroll a bit in this panel to see everything. Next, drag Scroll onto your timeline. In the Titles list, find the one called Scroll, then click and drag it down to your video track. Drop it above your video, or on an empty track if your credits are at the very end. As soon as you let go, a new purple title clip appears in the timeline where you dropped it. Now select the Scroll title clip. Click once on that purple clip so it is highlighted. You will know it is selected when it has a light outline and the playhead usually snaps to it. Selecting it makes its settings show up for editing. With that ready, open the inspector, look in the top right corner of the Edit page, and click the button labeled Inspector. A panel slides out that shows controls for the selected clip, with tabs for video and text. If you do not see text settings, check that the scroll clip is still selected. In the text box, type or paste your credits. Use the large text area in the inspector and start entering names and roles. Press Enter after each name or section to put it on a new line. That line break becomes a new line in the scrolling credits, so you can keep things grouped clearly, such as role on one line and person on the next. Next up, customize the font, size, color, and alignment. Still in the inspector, adjust the font to match your project style. Change the size so the text is readable, and pick a color with enough contrast against your background. Alignment controls whether the text is centered or lined up to the left or right, and you will see the preview update immediately as you change these settings. After that, adjust the duration of the title clip on the timeline. Click the end of the scroll clip and drag it longer or shorter. Longer clip means slower scrolling, while a shorter clip makes it scroll faster. Watch how the in and out points of the clip move along the timeline so you can line the credits up with the end of your video. Finally, play the timeline to preview the scrolling credits and make any needed adjustments. Hit play and watch the credits move in the viewer, then pause and tweak text, styling, or clip length until the speed and layout feel right. You have now created fully customized scrolling credits in DaVinci Resolve, ready to roll at the end of your video. If that helped you get clean end credits working, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more Resolve tips.